Sharad, unmute yourself. 19CS074. Okay. Okay. Is the software visible now? Software window. And am I? Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. So we'll wait for one more minute. There were 45 members earlier. Okay. Fine. So that's it. We'll continue now. So as I mentioned here, opcode, destination, and register. Now, here is some comments I have wrote. So move R1 comma hash 010. Okay, that's one point. Second point, move R2 comma hash 0x10. 0x10. So what is the difference between what are the special symbols we have come across when we don't have this one? What we are expecting was source underscore register. We were expecting this. Then we expected a semicolon. Then we expected some comments. Yes. Is there a comment? Yes. Is there a destination register? Yes. That is a R1 here. Is there a opcode here? Yes. That's a move. Okay. So now what is not there? Not there is source code. Sorry, source register. Instead of source register, what I have is one value. That means either you can think it as value or exact name is constant. It's a constant. 10 is a constant. So please concentrate. If I, in the place of source, I don't have register, I have a constant. First and foremost thing, we should use hash. Okay, it's a constant. Second thing, if I don't mention 0x something, so it is called as decimal number system. If I mention 0x, it is called as hexadecimal number or hexadecimal constant. See this hash constant, here I will write a constant, comment as the constant is in decimal format. Okay, the constant is in decimal format. So it's another option I have is destination underscore register comma. Again, I want to store one more value. So value is nothing but what? Constant. Okay. So next, I want to store this time constant is hex number. Do you know hex number? Decimal number 0 to 9. Hex number 0 to 9. Also, see I am typing here 0 to 9. Also we have A, then B, then C, D, E, and F. Okay, so these all are numbers used for used in the hexadecimal system. Okay, so now how I should differentiate the number I wanted to give is a decimal or number I wanted to store is a hex is here. Both are constant, so what is definite thing with respect to both is both will get a hash. First is a decimal, so no need to show anything. Second, number I want to store is hex, so I should not type only x, I should type 0x. 0x. Is it clear now? 0x. Okay, so next comes here 0x constant. So constant I want to load is hexadecimal system. So now what is common thing of this compiler? Means mean this MASM compiler is, no matter which number mode you want to store to, in both the cases computer or processor stores only in hex. Computer stores only in a hex. So what is the number you have given in format hex? Computer also stores in hex. So what happens here? There is no need of processing. Directly collect in hex, store in a hex. But what is the problem here? Problem is what? Collected in decimal. But what is the definite thing about stores? Stores will be in a hex. So what we have to add here? Extra step. That is called as conversion. Hope you are understanding now. Opcode, destination, constant. Again opcode, destination, constant. But what is the difference between both constants? Similarities, hash. Difference is first constant, it doesn't have any prefix like 0x. So it is decimal. Second constant has a prefix called 0x. Hence it is hexadecimal. So no problem for collection. Collecting decimal, collecting hex. But storing is what? Always hex. If always hex is there, you have collected hex, storing hex is easy. You have collected decimal, storing hex means conversion will happen. So now the question, should I write a code for conversion? No, computer will do it's automatic. Let's see whether it will do automatic or not. I have wrote some of the program here. So let me execute. See, I have translated. Now I'm going for build. I'm in the same way I'm checking for these errors and warnings. Now I will go for debug, start debug. I will say okay. So I will get into this window. I have got a resistors, which is I should check for every line. So I mentioned what is the yellow line or this blue triangle is, it's a PC program counter which holds next executable instruction. You can see this yellow here arrow mark here also disassembly portion. So where that is, it is present in the line called move r1 comma, you can see now, see here the code is converted internally. What is the number of 10? Number 10 in decimal, it should be converted into hex. So see here the converted code, can you see here? Please do type in the chat box. Here compiler itself converts, it's not our duty, but we should observe. So 10 is code for A. So computer has converted. Has it executed? Not yet. Because still R1 value is 0 only. So now I will go for this. Please make sure there are two flower type of brackets and arrow mark. This means one line execution. This means all execution. So whenever we are a beginner who I want to learn, it is good to have step-by-step execution. Okay, see, let me execute first. So what happens? Can anybody type the answer? What is the value we will get in R1 if I hit this button? Will it be 10 or will it be A? Okay, correct. Let's see. Yes, he is correct. A, correct, correct. So next question. Next question. What is the answer you can expect in R2? 10. Okay. Now, one more question. Can you answer? What is the difference between, listen, what is the difference between hash 010, hash 0x10? Don't say it is one is decimal and one is hexadecimal. R1 is A. What is the value of R2? Value of R2? Please do reply. Value, what will be the value of R2? Yes, correct. That is okay. But thing is, what is its value? Value. Hexadecimal 10 means what is decimal? No, 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 no. He is wrong. Sing. X means hex. Hex 10. Hope you remember this. Let me type something here in the third portion. Here I will type. So do you remember this? Okay, 1100 here. Okay, so here it is. This is here. I will elaborate the bits so I can type something later. Here you see, just above this, what I will do, 16 raised to 0. 16 raised to 0. Next is what? 16 raised to 1. Like that. So 16 to the power of 2, and the last one, sorry, let me write it here. Control X, 16 to the power of 3. See the bits arrangement. This one. What's the number we have there? Here. Can you see this? 1 0. So 0 0 1 0. What is its equivalent here in the top? Can you write? This is 1. And what about this? 16. So what about this? A square of a 16. Square of 16. 256. Okay. So now you see. So what is the value we have here? 0x10. So that will become like this. It's not a wrong. 0x0010. So if 0x0010, what is its value? Here, can you see here? No, wrong. Who is that? Prekshita. That's wrong, because here you see what is the value? 1. 1 into 16. 1 into 16. Here I will write. Yes, Santosh is correct. 1 star 16 plus 0 star 1. What is its value? It is 16 plus 0. Hence it is 16. Is it clear now? Okay. So what is only 0 1 0? Only 0 1 0 10. What is 0x10? See, 0 1 0 is 10. 0x010 is what? 16. Okay. So fine. Let's continue. But you will get here 10. Why? Because the number stores in a hex. So here, that is the statement. Number is hex. That is also stores in hex. So no need of conversion. This conversion will not happen. So direct value. Next. So what is the answer in this R3? Can you give now? Anyone try for calculation? What is the answer? R3. See what I should do. Is it a hash? Yes. So hash means what? Constant. So do we have 0x? 0x? Yes. That means this scale I have to use. Okay. So what are the input I have? After this x, what are the two symbols I have? Here 1 and here a. So it is same way like this. See 0 0 1 a. So 0 0 1 a. Any doubts? You can please ask in the chat box. 0 0 1 a. So what is here? Calculate. See, this value will be 4096. Okay. So what is the information you are trying to load on to R3? 001A. Yes or no? 0 into 4096. Here I will elaborate. 0 into 4096 plus, what is this bit? 0 into 256. 0 into 256 plus, what is next? 1 into 16. Let me elaborate so you will not get any confusion. Here. Okay. Okay, I think it is well arranged. So information is 001A, hexadecimal scale, their equivalent value, and now the explanation. 0 into 4096, 0 into 256, 1 into 16. So now my question, what is A into 1? So here I will clear, delete. Okay, so what is the next? Can anybody give the answer? What is this first component? Here. This component is what? What is this? Okay, 0. Correct. I think Singh is correct. So plus. So what is the second portion? That's also 0. The second portion. Plus. No, Sahana is wrong. 1 into 16. 1 into 16. Okay. So, okay. 1 into 16. Then comes important question. What is A? What is A? A means 10. 10 into 1, 10. So what is this equal to? 26. So I hope you understood correct, Sahana. Everybody is correct now because, okay, fine. This is how we have to understand what I am loading onto the resistor, what we are, what we wanted to be, and what is actual value in the resistor. Fine now. So let's see. But if it is a 26, my question, please answer. Will I get a 23 in the R3? Sorry, will I get 26 in the R3? 26 in the R3? How many of you say yes? No, your answer is correct. Anybody say yes? The answer is no, because number is hex. Computer also computer also stores hex. So no conversion. This belongs to second row here, second row of the explanation. Let's check. You can see here, you got a 1A. You got 1A. Everybody is correct there. So number is also hex. What we computer stores is also hex. Is it clear with respect to no operation? Okay. So I will clear this and I will take one more part here. Concentrate. Okay. So let me give some lines and type one word, one instruction. Move R4 comma, sorry, R4 comma R2. Sorry, this one. Can anybody write the comments? What I should write? Comment. Is it the instruction which we have studied? Is it full complete type of instruction like opcode is there, destination register is there, source register is there? So we have to finish it. So what I should write? R4 will get whatever value of R2. Is the comment right? Please check. Move R4 comma R2. Move R4 comma R2. You can type it in the chat box. Is the statement correct? Or should I make a right side arrow mark? Left side arrow mark or right side arrow mark? Whether I have typed is correct or not? Correct. See why it is correct. Go back to your this one syntax. What is the syntax here? I mentioned no? Here Syntax is opcode destination underscore register, then comma source underscore register. If you don't have value, then source register. So now the question, am I right with the hash? Question, hash for source? No, because hash is allowed only when I have a constant. Okay, so if there is a no constant, so no need to use it. So what is answer expected? R4. R4 answer. R4 answer. So I will try to check this. So before I could come to the line, no, this is wrong, Prekshita. You should give in terms of values. Renuka is, I guess she is wrong. Sachin is correct, but symbol you should use properly. Everybody is right, but symbol you should write 0x0010. Why? Because number is now in hex, so you should not get confusion. Means, let me say now what is R4? 10. Can you see here the output? R4 is of same as R2. Whatever is in R2, same thing is in R4. Okay. So now let me show you something here. Okay, fine. Okay. Now I will write this 5, comma, hash 0x 0 5. Okay. Yum vn r6 comma r5. So I will write some comment here. Please check. Yum vn works like this. Rd equals not of r source. R destination equals not of r source. Who is r source now? In the line here where I have selected, who is r source? R source, correct. Rd, answer for Rd, R6, that's also right. Okay, so what is the operation? What is the operation? So first R5 will get some number. Why I'm using hash? Because I am wanted to load constant. Okay, so I have used a hash. Why I have used hex is I wanted to load hex 5 itself. Okay, so now hex 5 move n means, here I will write the definition. Move n, move negated, or simple word move complemented. So what is complemented? Complemented of source. Can you see your application? Okay, move complemented of source to destination. So you have identified correct destination and correct source. Let's see what happens. So I'll say okay, no errors. Again go for this. Okay, now first 3 lines I will skip because we have already explained. Now the 8th line, what is 8th line? Move R4 comma R2. Whatever is in R2, that will be copied for R4. What is there in R2? 10. That means hex 10. Please say 0x001a. Same will be in 10. Same will be in R4. So yes, correct. Now is the question. New concept. Move some constant. What is that? 5. Where? R5. Let's see whether that is right. See, yes, correct. Please make a note now. What is there in this R5? How many zeros are there? I think 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 0. Where this is present? This is present in R5. Let me write R5 is right now like this: 0 0 0 0, 4 zeros, again 3 zeros and 5. I have typed in the chat box. How it will become now in the next R6? See, before we could understand this, try to imagine each number as a BCD, binary coded decimal. 1 0 means here, this 0 means what? 4 zeros. Next, again 1 0 means 4 0, again 4 0, again 4 0, again 4 zeros, again 4 zeros, again 4 zeros, last 0 1 0 1. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5. Okay, so if you count number of bits, it will be 32. Okay, next here. So what is complement of that? Bitwise: 1 1 1 1. Next 1 1 1 1. Sorry, 4 times. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a 7th. Last 4 bits I am complementing: 1 0 1 0. Hence, what will be the value? 7 times F and A. Let's see whether I am right. Can you see here the answer in R6? 7 times F and A. I have drawn how it will be. This 0, which I have selected in the chat box, is 4 zeros here. So this 0, again 4 zeros. Third 0, 4 zeros. So like that, we need to expand all. So last 4 bits are what? Here 0 1 0 1. So all other bits you can make it 0 easily. All other zeros you can make it 1. But be careful when you are making complement for the last 4 bits. What is order? 0 1 0 1. That becomes 1 0 1 0. So see how I wrote 5. This is a 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Like that, it is every bit. So 5 means what? 1 plus 0 plus 2, 2 raised to 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. This is how I have wrote 5. So if I convert this, what I will get here? 1 0 1 0. So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. What is 2 raised to 1? That is 2, plus 2 raised to 3, that is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. What is symbol for 10? Is A. So next, all 4 are ones. We call it as F. All 4 ones, F. All 4 ones, F. Like that, we got an answer. Is it clear now? Yes. Please do in the reply in the chat box here. Anything, any doubt? Okay, Rashmi Dharwad. You can type, Rashmi, any doubts? Or let me have something. Okay. Can you type the doubts? You can unmute now, I think. And you can ask the doubt. Can you do now, Rashmi? Okay, sir, for... Yes, correct. Yes, it is. So for 4 ones, 1 F. See again, like that. 4 ones, 1 F. 4 ones, 1 F. Like that. 7 set I have fully up from this to this 7 set. So I have took a 7F. So here is what? The combination. That's a A. This one, Prekshita. She was there. Dharwad. Huh. 4 zeros means 0. 4 zeros means 0. Why it is 4 zeros means 0? Here. Here, instead of place of 16, you mention it as 2. That's it. Binary coded decimal. See here, you substitute this as 0. What you will get? See 1. Here you will get 2. Here you will get 4. Here you will get 8. That's it. What's the number you have here? Here. All 4 are zeros. So what is here? 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Hence, what it will be the value? 0. Okay. So if you have, see, let me give exact value. 0, 1, 0, 1. So what happens here? Can you give the answer? See, 0 into 8, leave it. This 0 into 2, leave it. What you remain? 1 into 4. That's what? 4. 4 plus. Where is one more bit? 1 into 1. Hence it is 5. Okay, what you have got is 5. So next line. What is the complement of this? Complement of this here. 0 complement this 0 here. This 0 is 1. What is this now? 1. So what that will be? Here 0. Next is what? Next bit I have is 0, hence 1. Next bit I have is 1, hence it is 0. So what is the equivalent? How to calculate? 1 into 8. So hence here I will get first thing 8 plus 0 into 4, leave it. 1 into 2 is 2 plus last 0 into 1, hence it is 10. 10 we don't have, so we have A. Not 9, Vishal. 10 it is. Okay. 8 plus 2. Okay. Is it clear now for everyone? So to move instruction is completed now. See, I will come back to this. New sharing. So here. What we have finished. Okay. My target was to finish at least 3.2, 1.2 and 3.1.3. But since it is session first, so what we have finished here is 3.1.1. Okay. Is it clear now for everybody? So we left with 6 minutes. We cannot finish barrel shifter in only 6 minutes. Okay. But let me try for why. So is it possible? We'll finish it. So here is the barrel shifter. I wrote a program also. Okay. See here. Now. Okay. So barrel shifter, simple program. So area, name, code, read only, entry and start. Move R5 with value 5. Which 5? Hexadecimal 5. It's a constant, so hash. R7 hexadecimal constant 8. Hope everybody understood. Please concentrate. I repeat again. R5 with the constant value, so hash. And what type of constant? Hex constant. So I took it as 5. Next, R7, that's also move constant, hence hash 0x, that means hexadecimal 8. Next question. Move R7. Can you write equation in the chat box? Make it fast. Equation. So what is RD? RD here. Correct. RS source resistor R5. What is LSL? Hash 2. LSL means, here I will write logical left shift. This is the meaning. So now you see here I will type something. So okay, here is a number. There is a number like this who is 2 to the power of 3, then 2 to the power of 2, then 2 to the power of 1, then 2 to the power of 0. Okay. Okay. So what are the values here? 8, then 4, then 2, then 1. So I will change these bits to, okay, like this, backspace 0, 0, and 0. Okay. So what I do is left shift by 1. So what happens here? Here you see, I have to create 4 spaces. Space 1. This is 1 space. Second space, third space, fourth space. Left shift means this will come here. This data will come here, here. Exactly here it is. Where is a blue line? This 0 will come here. So 0. Where this 1 will come? Here. Hence 1. Where this 0 will come? Here. So this 0 removed out. New 0 introduced. What is this value? Magnetic, value here. 1 into 2. Hence it was a 2. Now what is the value? 4. So hence left shift means what? Multiply by 2. So if you do one more time, what happens here? Left shift. One more time. This 0 will be copied here. This 0 will be copied here. So this 0 will be copied here. This 1 will be copied here. One more new 0 and old 0 is removed. Okay, correct. So what will be the answer? It will be 8. So that means what? Okay, please give your attendance. Okay, so here that means, listen, left shift logically by 2 times. What? R5. R5 left by 2 times. What is R5? 5. Okay, 5. So let me change that 5 to 2. But what is the answer expected? 8. I will show that. So I am not going with the 5. I am going with the 8. So sorry, sir. I am going with the 2 because I have drawn for 2 here. Let me go a little fast. Build. No errors. Then start. Okay, see here. What is the answer in the R1? Sorry, barrel shifter I should execute. Okay. Okay. So okay, here one mistake I did. I have not removed the 1.asm barrel shifter program. Please try in your computer. The chat in the chat box I have given a code for you as the time is lesser. Okay, so I will execute in the next class once again and show you how actually it works. It's again going for the earlier program. So I would have done with the I would have removed